Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at l'Université University of Blida 2. Today, we're going to talk about our last lecture titled Cryptocurrency. So I have divided my last lecture into the following four elements as follows. First element, what is a cryptocurrency? Second, what are the main types of cryptocurrency? Third element, language activities, how to receive the title of, and finally, assessment from our quizzes, tests, and exams. First element, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that can circulate without the centralized authority of a bank or government. So, cryptocurrency is a digital that is meant to be a medium of exchange. Second element, kinds of cryptocurrencies or main types of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency then removes all the problems of modern banking. There are no limits to the funds you can transfer, your accounts cannot be hacked, and there is no central point of failure. So in 2018, there are more than 1,600 cryptocurrencies available. Some popular ones are Bitcoin, Litecoin, etc. Third element, language activities. So how to use receive the title of. Receive the title of refers to the accepting of a new title of or designation, especially in a corporate company. The phrase receive the title of is very important to understand when used to refer to moving up in a company. Here are a few sentences that help you in deciding on how you can use the phrase to in your daily life. For example, Attaf received the title of CRO in his company. Amin received the title of Chief Actuary Officer in his business. And finally, Mustafa was very excited to receive the title of Web Developer in a new company at Diyarbakir. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, quizzes, tests, and exams. Thank you for your attention.